In Create the System, you might be thinking that I'm going to ask you to engineer some big system when you don't like math, engineering, construction, electrical, or anything. You might be simply horrified, scared, confused, already a zombie at work, and I'm asking you to create systems? My question is this: do you want systems to control you, or do you want to control your systems? Your answer could mean your future. First, you have to make a realization. You are surrounded, engulfed, and beholden to more systems than you realize. We will look at it in 3 levels of environmental awareness: in you, on you, and around you. Environmental awareness will be explained more in a future video. In you, your body and your mind. It's an amazing system. Have you heard these terms? Nervous system, digestive system, muscular system. When your internal systems fail, then you get illness, disease, or death. So keeping these systems properly aligned means good physical and mental health. Your mind is an extraordinary system that you program daily with negative chatter or consciously program in a positive outlook. You direct your own mind, and you can learn to do this. A great quote is, "If you think you can or you think you can't, then you're probably right." On you, your physical body. Examine your existing required systems and procedures. How you get dressed, how you brush your teeth, shower, or get ready for bed. These are all systems, whether conscious or unconscious. You have an exercise workout plan. That's a system. Routine equals system. A consistent and clear workout routine creates accomplishment. Examine these mini systems for efficiency and their positive effect. How can you save time, reduce stress, clear a path, make progress towards your ultimate goals? You may think that we're examining the obvious, but we're not. Because right now, you want to create and expand your awareness of existing systems. Around you, you survive with systems. Nature has its own systems. Plants, flowers, trees recreate in their own system. Animals are in an ecosystem. You pay attention to the weather system, and you buy things using the banking system. You drive your car in its own self-contained system. Why create a system? Systems create efficiency, predictability, and consistent results. Systems reduce stress, become more efficient over time. Systems not only become efficient, but clearer as they are refined. Some systems we really like and use over and over. Others, not so much. You could benefit from discovering your own systems. Systems for everyday tasks, duties, to save time. Systems to kill off dream-killing distractions. Systems to enhance your dedication to your dreams. My question is this: do you want systems to control you, or do you want to control your systems? Your answer could mean your future.